Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your smartphone when you forgot the passcode. If you forgot your passcode and can't get access to your smartphone, you've got only one option left: factory reset via bootloader. In order to do it, reset your smartphone and now press and hold power button and volume up button. Release buttons when you see Android powered. Again, shortly press those buttons. Scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. This will remove the passcode, but unfortunately it will also remove everything you've got on your smartphone. So, hope you've got the cloud backup. Confirm and it's done. Now reboot system and you'll have phone setup. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.